Hi, and welcome to the presentation for Noelle and Company to present my social media metrics over the past 7 weeks being a part of COM 315. My audience for my company was college students that are 18 and 24-year-olds and that are based in Rexburg and Utah County. At the beginning of my campaign, I was only posting 1 to 2 posts a week. I wasn't using any hashtags, tagging people, or creating good captions. I was only using Instagram, which had at the time 95 followers. At the end of my campaign, I was posting 2 to 3 times a week. I created creative captions, used specific hashtags, and I got up to 125 followers on Instagram and started using my Facebook more often. My top 2 posts for Facebook and Instagram were the same, so obviously I was doing something right for this post. I had a high reach for both of these posts, which ended up with great reactions, comments, likes, and shares. For Facebook, I ended up with 103 followers, over a 3,000 reach range, and ended with 14 posts. For Instagram, I ended with 125 followers, over a 3,000 reach range for the past week, a high range of impressions, and 26 actions were taken on my Instagram account between the dates of December 7th through December 13th. I ended with 17 posts. My paid ads did really well. This ad that I did on Facebook had a great amount of impressions and a far reach, and this ad ran for a week. My ads on Instagram had great results in reach and impressions as well, and it also ran for a week. With everything that I've learned with gauging my social media, I've learned how to create creative captions to engage with my audience, how to brand myself better, and how to make a difference in my company and be able to make a portfolio with the work that I have done. Thank you.